I want to show you on the Xerox C60, C70 how to replace the drum cartridges. Simply open the front door. You'll see there's a lever. You pull down on the lever and pull out your drums. The great thing about the C60, C70 is you can replace the toner and the drums while the machine is... Actually, I should have said that with...
It's so funny. When you know how it squares in? When I'm zooming into it, what it's doing is it's zooming, it's going.
It's not funny.
That's funny, I'm sorry. It's just funny. That's why it's zooming on.
Okay.
Sorry, it just was too funny for me. All right, ready? Here we go.
Let me show you on the Xerox C60, C70 how to replace the drums. You simply open the front door. You'll see there's a lever here. You pull it down and then simply pull out. These are your drum cartridges. Depending on which color you need to replace, you simply hold on to each one of the knobs and pull out.